What it do, KC gang? I'm back with another one. I'm back with another perkity prank. Perkity prank. Perkity prank. All right. Don't pay me no mind. I just woke up. It's early in the morning. Next prank I got. If nobody know, or if everybody do know, Kyrie do not play by his truck. That's his baby. He do not play by his truck at all. Don't play by it at all. So I'm like, I gotta do something with his truck because I know I'm gonna get a good reaction out of him. Let's put spray paint on his truck like it's another female, like a mistress. We'll have all kind of stuff written on his truck, and I'm gonna play dumb like, who writing on your truck? You know, who came to our house to write on your truck? Who this female is? I'm acting like I don't know nothing, go along with it and accusing him of cheating. But I'm gonna have my little sister and my little cousin Tati, they in on the video too. I'm gonna make up an excuse for us to leave. Then they go come and do in the truck, and we pull back at home. We go see the truck vandalized. Ooh-wee. Team Chelsea. And I'm going even harder because I'm tired of people. Oh, I can't wait till Kyrie get you back. Kyrie gonna get you back. Team Chelsea all day, every day. I'm coming back with the bangers and bangers. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, let me see. I'm waiting on y'all to hit that subscribe button. Y'all hit it yet? All right. Next video, I will not be in the video. Only my little sister and my cousin Tati. So, let's get with the video.
All right. I got a step stool in the truck. You want me to get the step stool?
Where is it?
It's in my trunk.
Don't stop. You're gonna have to get that step stool.
Girl. Y'all, we on a time limit.
Huh?
I'm telling them we on a time limit. Let's see. Can you see it?
Can you see this?
Shake it up some more. All right, let's see. Oh. There we go. We getting somewhere.
Think I should do it like that? Pregnant.
P-R-E-G-N-A-N-T. Can he see that? I don't know.
He can't see it.
That G like it disappeared. There we go. We getting somewhere.
You did it?
Yeah. God, she said they done. We gotta hurry up. Here. All right, what we putting?
Be like, you cheated. Use this. It gotta be at least 5 minutes. Hurry up. Yeah, this is it. Wait, what about the black part? We can't write on it. Be like, fuck you. Be like, text me something. You know, just write something.
Like, call me. See
Yeah.
me.
All right. Okay.
Y'all think that's good? What y'all think? Y'all think that's good? Girl.
Man, look at that. Okay. Can't catch us. It's 2 minutes right now. Oh, shit. Try to put something else over there. Like, just, I don't know.
I
Like,
don't know what to put.
be like, I don't know. Go back there and be like, you gonna tell her or not? Or something like that.
Oh, I'm gonna put no popo. Oh. Hope they come off this truck.
I can't stop it right now. She said it gotta be at least 5 minutes.
What if I put it on his rims or something?
Yeah, do it. Do all of them. Three minutes.
I don't know where else to put it. Okay, we can put some. Hold up.
Chelsea can't catch us right now, please. Call her on your phone and tell her we not. Nah, ma, we can't do all that, huh?
I don't know what else to. Oh, God.
Did you do all of them?
I don't know. Yep, I did all of it.
4 minutes.
Okay. Let's put.
Try to see if they can come off. Like, put a list.
Yeah, I did one.
Okay.
3, 1, 8. 2, 6, 4.
Hurry up so we can get the fuck out of here. Hurry up so we can leave. It's almost on 5 minutes. Be like 264. 4. Be like 40.
1, 2, 8.
Yeah.
1, 1, 2, 8. I'm so hot, y'all. Okay, we gotta get the truck.
It's 4 minutes still.
Well, let's see if we can come off his car. I mean, off his truck.
Wait till he finish like putting some more. Put it back here.
I should write bitch, but I don't know where.
Yeah. Put bitch.
Where?
Can you do it at the top? Put it up.
It's going out.
Okay. We done.
Come over.
Come over.
Come over tonight or just come over?
Come over tonight. We're gonna put fuck Chelsea.
On the other side.
All right, come on.
Come on, please, right?
Who? Oh, you said please the blue thing, right? Fuck Chelsea. What the fuck? It's like it's getting dry. That shit fading. Oh, it's not. Oh no. SEA. Fuck Chelsea. Damn, we ain't even a minute yet.
All right. Yes.
I'm Brandon. Be like,
It's a boy.
yeah.
gonna say it. Boy. It's a boy, boo.
You can't put like I'm the baby mama, bitch.
You my baby daddy.
Yeah, be like you my baby daddy.
I'm up here writing this shit all perfect. You mine. Baby.
It'll be wrong if we say you fucked me so good.
When we gonna get that?
Look, right here, across here. You fucked me so good. The other night. Ooh.
Okay,
You fucked.
good. The other night?
Uh-huh. I just started.
The
2 minutes.
Yeah, we had 2 minutes.
We should have put it back here, but it's good. Be like,
Dry it up now.
be like,
Um,
what's that noise? I don't think that's them. Okay. Be like, she text you again? Okay. We just standing here. It's 3 minutes. You want to stop it? Or you want to just throw some stuff?
I don't know what else to put. Like, and I had something.
What you had at your house? You want to stop it?
Yeah.
Look at rims. 318-264-0122. You fucked me good the other night. Fuck Chelsea. You my baby daddy. Call me fuck you. It's a boy, boo. Oh, I gotta vlog this. I'm pregnant. So that. Tell her come over tonight. Kyra, who is this? Tell her, bitch, come over tonight. No popo. So who the fuck you been fucking with? I'm recording this for the police. Cheater. It's everywhere. You F me good the other night. Fuck Chelsea. Call me. You my baby daddy. It's a boy. Fuck you. I'm pregnant. Who you been fucking with? And how they know when we gone and when we here? That's why you tried to leave last night. Talking to my son. That's what it was, huh?
Yeah.
Really?
How the fuck they know? I don't know who the fuck.
Well, I mean, I called the police. You guilty?
That shit all on my rims. I don't give a fuck about
That's paint, Kyra. It's not gonna come off. That's paint.
it. Better come off.
Who you been fucking with?
You didn't put this shit all on my fucking rims.
Who you been messing with?
I don't know.
She pregnant. And I told you a girl told me somebody she was pregnant. Playing on my phone.
I don't know who the fuck pregnant. I don't fuck nobody.
Your window was down already?
Where you come from?
I just told him. That's fucked up.
coming, bro.
But no, y'all, he tried to leave last night, but he didn't leave.
Carter, this come out. Who done? Who did this though?
I had called the police.
It's a boy.
Man, y'all should have seen my face when I pulled up. I was pissed off. But no, we had a girl been calling my phone.
I can't even read that. 264 what?
112.
I told it like it 112.
Yeah.
112, my God.
Everything, dog.
They ain't who you been messing with.
Right?
Just he Carter messing over you.
We're gonna have to beat Kyra ass.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to beat his tail. Then they spelled my name wrong. Yeah, me and you gonna have a serious talk.
Talk about what?
People playing with my house in. Then 2-3 days ago, a girl told me that she was pregnant from you. I don't know. You don't be when you there. I don't know.
When I what? Go to work and home.
Apparently not, bro. No popo.
No popo.
No popo.
I already called the
Oh, they
police.
said no popo, don't call the police. Who could have did this though? Must be one of
You called your whole B word.
Must be one of your exes.
One of his exes. They what? They don't have a car. They don't. What he said? They don't have a car. They don't know who. Yeah. When he come back out, y'all tell me. Cool. What the hell he been messing with?
Man, look at bro rims. Look at bro rims.
Look at his rims. He just spent $3,000 on the rims 2 weeks ago. He need a paint job.
How you feel, Jake? How you feel, Chelsea?
I'm gonna beat somebody's ass. Color where I lay my head at.
It's okay.
What the fuck you got on my truck?
He brought a stool and I got on your tie.
Team Chelsea once again. Ooh, 2 days in a row.
Man, Kyra, dude.
Ooh.
What? Ain't know what? One of y'all about to clean my truck.
She.
I'll clean it. I don't care. It comes out.
Tati,
You gonna clean the whole thing?
Tati got some
You
white
didn't
in
see
her
none of
car.
this?
Yeah, look, all the evidence on her.
You didn't see none of that?
No.
Who had some ground meat in the sink?
Kyrie.
Yep.
It had blue stuff all in there. We emptied out and
Yep, we had to clean up.
clean all that.
I thought the water drained out.
No, we drained that out.
Come on, Team Chelsea, because I know you don't play about your truck.
We took the paper towels too.
Come on.
Yeah, my friend said. You ain't even come up with the price.
Right. So,
It's Team Chelsea all the way.
yeah, that way.
He ain't got nothing to say.
You know what? This price should have been.
I know they see.
This price should have been on Chelsea.
Oh, I would have.
We should have helped Kyra and put it on Chelsea.
What you be doing?
I would have cut up.
Yeah. Y'all better come clean my truck.
Team Chelsea, come on. Team Chelsea. Team Chelsea. What he said?
Hey, y'all can't spell for number 2.
I told him to make it like they ain't know how to spell my name. They call me on J phone. They wouldn't know how to spell my name. Come on, man. You don't look like a dummy. But you can tell my baby don't cheat on me. He was so calm, y'all. Team Chelsea. Come on.
Whole time me and Tati keeping on the side.
Team Chelsea.
We sure was. We was right
Because I know this your baby. I knew. I thought I was going to get a better reaction out of this. But I know you ain't no cheater. You was too calm.
Who gonna clean my truck?
Y'all, come on. Team Chelsea. so I can end it.
Hell no.
You better start coming with the pranks or something.
Yeah, we out. Team Chelsea in the cut.
I ain't going nowhere because somebody about to clean my truck. I didn't know what to say. But I ain't lying. You supposed to be. I'm fucking killer, you see. Because that's all I sleep on. I don't go nowhere.
You looking at me, Team Chelsea in the cut.
Who knows?
A fake number. It better be. Because who I whoop you and that girl ASS.
We came back and did all this.
Yeah, we out. Team Chelsea in the comments.